E-commerce success stories are everywhere, but is it really possible to make $10,000 a month, or is it all just hype? The truth might shock you. Stay till the end because I am breaking down the real numbers no one talks about. Here are multiple ways to make money in e-commerce, but not all are created equally. Let's break them down. Dropshipping. No inventory, low startup cost, but high competition. Potential earning $500 to $10,000 a month. Print on demand. Custom design, automated fulfillment, but low profit margin, expected earning $300 to $7,000 a month. Private label and Amazon FBA. Highest investment but bigger rewards. Some seller makes $5,000 to $50,000 income. Selling digital products, no inventory, high profit earnings, $1,000 to $30,000 a month. Here's the mistake most beginners make. They focus on revenue, not profit. Just because a store earns $10,000 a month does not mean the owner takes it home. Here's a quick breakdown of the expenses. Product cost 30 to 50% of the revenue. Advertising, Facebook, Google, influencer 20 to 40%. Shipping and fees 10 to 15%. Software and tools 5 to 10%. All of these your actual profit might be 10 to 30% of total revenue. That's why strategy matters. Let's look at the two real examples. Sarah set up dropshipping and hit $5,000 a month, but after ads and refunds, she only keeps $600. Jake built a digital store, make $8,000 a month, and keeps $6,500 because his costs were low. The lesson: choosing the right model and managing cost is the key. Avoid this common mistake: picking up bad products, spending too much on ads, and not testing your store before scaling. Wanted to make more money in e-commerce? Here are 4 proven ways to scale your earning fast. Find winning products. Use the free tools like Google Trends and TikTok Trends. Improve your store's conversion rate. Small tweak, more sales. Use retargeting ads, lower cost, higher profits. Leverage influencer marketing, cheaper than ads, and build trust fast. So, how much do you wanted to earn in e-commerce? Don't forget to subscribe for more expert tips. Turn on the notification so you will never miss on an update on the latest e-commerce trends and strategy. If you found this video helpful, hit this like button. It helps more people discover this content. Thank you.